What is carbon dioxide used for in the context of food preservation? A. To make bread rise. B. As a component of water gas. C. As a reducing agent. D. As a preservative for fruits. The correct answer is D. As a preservative for fruits. Which of the following is an example of charges that would result in a net positive charge on a system? A-3C and -4C. B plus 1C and -1C. C plus 2C and -5C. D plus 6C and -2C. The correct answer is D plus 6C and -2C. What is the general formula for the hydride of an element in group 4? A. RH. B. RH3. C. RH2. D. RH4. The correct answer is D. RH4. How would you determine the time taken to reach school? A. Use a measuring tool for time. B. Look at the path. C. Ask a friend. D. Estimate the distance. The correct answer is A. Use a measuring tool for time. What percentage of zinc is present in brass? A. 30%. B. 70%. C. 10%. D. 50%. The correct answer is A. 30%. Which type of fish mentioned can be air-breathing and cultured in freshwater? A. Tilapia. B. Mrigal. C. Air-breathing fishes. D. Catla. The correct answer is C. Air-breathing fishes. Which topic is scheduled for November? A. Environmental science. B. Applied chemistry. C. Nutrition and health. D. Animal kingdom. The correct answer is C. Nutrition and health. When light travels from an optically rarer medium to an optically denser medium, what happens to its direction? A. It bends away from the normal. B. It continues in a straight line. C. It bends towards the normal. D. It undergoes total internal reflection. The correct answer is C. It bends towards the normal. What metal is mentioned as being deposited to prevent rusting? A. Aluminum. B. Chromium. C. Copper. D. Zinc. The correct answer is B. Chromium. In what kind of path do electrons revolve around the nucleus? A. Circular path. B. Elliptical path. C. Spiral path. D. Linear path. The correct answer is A. Circular path. Which elements are included in the third period? A. Lithium to neon. B. Potassium to krypton. C. Rubidium to xenon. D. Sodium to argon. The correct answer is D. Sodium to argon. Which of the following is true regarding a charged body inducing a charge on an uncharged body? A. It neutralizes the uncharged body. B. It attracts like charges. C. It repels like charges. D. It induces an opposite charge. The correct answer is D. It induces an opposite charge. A component with higher resistance requires what to move electric charge through it? A. Higher potential difference. B. More current. C. Less potential difference. D. Less current. The correct answer is A. Higher potential difference. How much phosphorus pentoxide is found in sheep and goat manure? A. 1%. B. 2%. C. 0.5%. D. 3%. The correct answer is A. 1%. Mixtures can be grouped into which two categories? A. Homogeneous and heterogeneous. B. Simple and complex. C. Solid and liquid. D. Organic and inorganic. The correct answer is A. Homogeneous and heterogeneous. What specific plant is mentioned for having leaves up to 3 meters across? A. Victoria amazonica. B. Sunflower. C. Rose. D. Lotus. The correct answer is A. Victoria amazonica. What term describes the water molecules present in copper sulfate pentahydrate? A. Bound water. B. Water of crystallization. C. Aqueous solution. D. Free water. The correct answer is B. Water of crystallization. What is the repetition of sound caused by the reflection of sound? A. Timbre. B. Echo. C. Pitch. D. Reverberation. The correct answer is B. Echo. Which process is proposed by De Vries as the basis for discontinuous variation? A. Sexual reproduction. B. Natural selection. C. Mutation theory. D. Gametic fusion. The correct answer is C. Mutation theory. What is the primary way sound is produced? A. By the movement of air currents. B. By the reflection of light. C. By vibrations of bodies. D. By the absorption of energy. The correct answer is C. By vibrations of bodies. What did Karl Skeel demonstrate about graphite? A. It is a good conductor of electricity. B. It is harder than diamond. C. It is an organic compound. D. It forms carbon dioxide when burned. The correct answer is D. It forms carbon dioxide when burned. What is the chemical formula for calcium carbonate? A. CaO. B. CaCO3. C. CaCl2. D. CaO2. The correct answer is B. CaCO3. What is the primary function of a transformer? A. To generate magnetic fields. B. To detect current. C. To induce current. D. To change voltage. The correct answer is D. To change voltage. What is the purpose of the concentration or separation of the ore step? A. To melt the ore into a liquid. B. To polish the ore's surface. C. To remove impurities from the ore. D. To add more metal to the ore. The correct answer is C. To remove impurities from the ore. What is another name for oxidizing agents? A. Electron acceptors. B. Electron donors. C. Catalysts. D. Reducing agents. The correct answer is A. Electron acceptors. Which gas is used along with ammonia in the manufacture of fertilizers like urea? A. CO2. B. CFC. C. CH4. D. N2O. The correct answer is A. CO2. What is the primary function of hemoglobin in red blood cells? A. Transporting proteins and fats. B. Transporting water and minerals. C. Transporting nitrogen and oxygen. D. Transporting oxygen and carbon dioxide. The correct answer is D. Transporting oxygen and carbon dioxide. What unit is used for heat capacity? A. JK1. B. JKG1 K1. C. kg. D. J. The correct answer is A. JK1. Which of the following is an essential substance found in the filtrate during tubular reabsorption? A. Creatinine. B. Ammonia. C. Glucose. D. Urea. The correct answer is C. Glucose. Which of the following is not listed as an insulator? A. Or wood. B. Rubber. C. Copper. D. Ebonite. The correct answer is C. Copper. How did you score?